Hi everybody, this is Alex at seekoptics.com, and today I'll be showing you how to remove and reinstall the lenses in the Maui Gym model Sandy Beach, also known as the Maui Gym MJ408. It's a very simple process and you'll only need one tool, a Phillips head screwdriver just like this, and the way you do it is you turn the frame around, open the temples, and you'll see that there are 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You'll only need to do 2 at a time, so you don't have to worry about all 4. What you do is you take your screwdriver and undo the screw about 5 to 6 turns until the lens is loose. You don't have to take the screw all the way out. So 5 to 6 turns, there we go, and the lens will be nice and easy to remove. Just like that. Now that we have the lens available, I can show you how to put it back in. Put the nasal side in first, align the temporal side, turn it back around, and with the same motion, the same screwdriver, 5 to 6 turns, and the lens is nice and snug. Same on this side, repeat, 5 to 6 turns, and you're done. And that is how you replace the lenses in your Maui Gym Sandy Beach. And of course, once you're done, don't forget to use our seekoptics.com fiber cloth bags to clean the lenses and get rid of your fingerprints. And don't forget to visit seekoptics.com for more lens features. Thank you very much for watching. Talk to you soon.